It's a peaceful morning here in Maine, down by the Dream Stream. Sun's coming up. And the steam is rolling up off the water surface in the circle, going back up to become clouds. And then, of course, to become rain again. The crows are crying out with their joyful noise to honor Papa, to honor another day, to celebrate the excitement of simply being alive. Crows let you know how to enjoy it, how to celebrate each and every day. They know. Observe. Observe the crows. They'll let you know how to celebrate. And they help each other out. One sits up in the tree, maybe 2 or 3 more on the ground, eating worms or picking up little bits of grit for their gizzards. Can you tell why I dubbed this in my backyard the Dream Stream? The birches. Lots of other trees. Some birch leaves. The sun. Beautiful sun. The white, bright sun. I'm not sure why. We always tend to, when we're kids, we draw the sun and color it with orange. I suppose that is one form of it to our eyes. The morning sun, early morning, setting sun can appear to be orange, but it's really bright white, which is every color blended together. God is good. Oh, Papa. So, there's the Dream Stream. Look at these skies today. Let's see. All those puffy clouds today. It's almost like marble. The marbled sky. It's across the street. Back over here to a big old maple. And a stump. It has, I think, dandelions growing out of the middle of it. What was it? Is that a birch tree? Maybe it was a birch tree. Or a set of triplets. Now it's going back to the earth. Slowly getting broken down by fungi and green plants starting to grow as it makes itself dirt and collects dust particles. It actually becomes the earth again. So, hey, enjoy your day, folks. And we'll have a good one up here in northern Maine. Get out into nature. Observe the patterns. Listen and watch and learn from the rhythms. See, God has it at His pace, and we always try to think we can make it better, alright? You can't make it better. Painters weep, for they cannot come to what God surrounds us with daily. Poets weep because they cannot arrange their words to capture the loveliness of a minute, a mere minute in the wilderness.